nothing as good as a Legend X sound. And I'm going to prove it to you. On this Land Cruiser, I'm going to do the before and after. You're going to love it.